Impressive. Seems you'll have no problem taking out foes from a distance. This bow is an invaluable gift. May the foreman find peace. Let's continue on.
That's the Nushi of this zone. Seems like it's noticed you.
A strong box. There's an enemy.
That was the Nushi's roar. We strayed into its territory. What are you doing? Keep moving. It might seem a lumbering giant, but its senses are extraordinarily sharp. You can also work with Ku to pin the enemy down.
Let's do this, Ku.
There we go. Keep it up.
It's retreating. Back to its lair, maybe?
Believe she withstood Anushi. So this is the power of the sealer.
I'm going after it.
No. Wait. Return to the walker first.
If I don't go now, it will recover.
So let it. Based on what I noticed just now, you might not have much of a choice. Besides, you're completely spent. Do yourself a favor and get some rest.
Fine.
You're back.
Brad? How's the Nushi?
I'm keeping an eye on it. It's taken a beating, for sure, but blight is accumulating inside it at a staggering rate. Seems that the weaker the Nushi becomes, the more the blight builds. It's hard to say what'll happen next time you fight it. Be ready for anything.
Okay.
Still asleep? I'm sure she'll wake up soon. Hey, you're partners in this mission now. Play nice.
Understood.
Cool. You've been here all along. Ever since then. Emma, are you awake?
Your duty awaits.
How may I serve?
Malefacts have been sighted. 2 pale malefacts. Soon they will begin to devour the innocent and spread the blight.
I see.
They are holed up deep in the forest, a blighted zone no one else can tread. Emma, you are the sealer. Dispose of the malefacts. Seal them away within you.
After I eat.
Your appetite will surely be sated once you've absorbed the tainted flesh of those horrid creatures. You truly are no more than they are.
No more than a malefact.
You were born blight-stained, reared in a tainted cradle. The blight in your breast ate your heart away long ago. No heart, no humanity, no pity for your fellow malefacts.
What's pity?
Your appearance is the only reminder you are human.
How dare the golem speak to you like that? It's not like that tin can is human itself.
What is it, Violet?
You're no mere malefact, Emma. You're a person.
Tell me, Violet.
Empathy isn't beyond you, Emma. I'm sure the day will come when you will understand. As for your missing memory, I cannot say much on that subject. We both share that particular deficiency. Anyway, what feast were you provided with today?
The same as 3 days ago. Dried fish and beans.
Fare as bland as ever, then.
It gives me the energy to fight, which is all I need. We'll head out once I'm finished eating.
Remember the golem's words. The targets are deep within the forest. There's a colony down there, and I don't think they'll let you in without permission. There's a colony down there.
Blight detected! Must kill!
The blight has corrupted this golem's mind. Ready yourself. Another one. Conceal yourself and strike. Is this all that remains of humanity, whose hands were responsible for raising the great empires of old? We need to head further into the forest. Let's go, Emma. That's the wrong way. We need to head deeper into the forest. How rare. Biwa fruit. Its medicinal qualities are renowned. I'm sure there would be someone willing to exchange it for a good meal. Let's take the fruit with us.
You don't even eat, Violet. Why do you care about food? Besides, we still have our quarry.
Well, I'm sure you'll sense it when they're close. And I like thinking about food.
Fine. This shouldn't take long. Was that someone's memory?
I saw it too. How strange. Hold. Where did it vanish to?
The tracks lead over there.
Do not let it escape. There. It is walking very slowly. It seems to have an arrow wound.
The blight is thicker in the forest depths.
Was there another besides the pale one? You cannot leave it alive. A malefactor ventures so close, and a pale one at that. What is going on? Let's be after those pale malefacts. It has branched. This is what becomes of a blighted body. Looks like the other malefact must have met its fate here.
There it is.
Not again.
Were those his memories? Sounds like his name is Ku.
Ku.
Despite being a malefact, he seems to be on some sort of mission. How strange. But Emma, these things eat people and spread the blight. End it. He's awake.
It's too soon. For now, just rest.